December is my favorite month of the year. Thank you for a wonderful evening. Someday I'll have a big house. My friend Paul is good at speaking English. My father is a hard-working man. When you get home, I will call you. I love French fries and chicken nuggets. Alice goes to McDonald's every day for ice cream. Caleb forgot his house keys at the party. I like to pick the strawberries that I grow in my garden. Remember to wash your hands with soap and water. Grandpa Frederick takes great care of his farm. I like to read interesting books with my sister. Last night the doctors operated on their patients. Yesterday it was very hot in my house.